You guys, it finally dropped. It has finally dropped. Instagram edits. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and hop right into it. So we all know CapCut. I dropped a video before on Instagram talking about how CapCut was done, right? CapCut was gone. Big brother, big sister, little brother, little cousin was gone, right? Along with TikTok, along with Lemonade, all of that happened, the ban, everything and all of that, right? So since then, Instagram announced that they will be dropping an editing app after CapCut got banned, like immediately almost, which I felt like was a ploy. I felt like it was something that, you know, was kind of a setup a little bit in a sense. But we're here with edits. Edit just dropped today, man. It is the 22nd of April, and it's kind of insane to me because I feel like they told me that it was supposed to drop the 30th, then I got an email and said, creator, edits app is ready. Your pre-order for edits is here. And I said, whoa. Is here. So we're gonna hop right into it and basically talk about it as well as kind of compare it to CapCut. It is a free editing app, so I don't think it's gonna be too crazy, but I do feel that it's gonna give us that same feel and connectivity that CapCut gave to TikTok. So I feel like being that it is produced by Meta, produced by Instagram, it will have that that seamless connection that you can have, you know, how you have with threads and stuff like that. I think it's gonna be the same exact type of way. So let's go ahead and hop into it right now. I'm starting the recording in 3, 2, and 1, and we're rolling. So when any edits out, I've already added something to the timeline, but I'm going to show you guys how you can do so. We're going to go ahead and go to new project. You can name this project. I'm going to call it April branding because this is what it was. Right? New project, already have it named. Hit done. So this is the naming of it. It has the export settings up top. So if you go up to the top where it says 2K at, you can change this to 4K, or you can change the HD, or you can change the SDR. So however you want to edit and export this thing, you can do so. I'm gonna do 4K as always. 2K is like kind of easy. It depends on your storage solution. If you have enough storage, I would always recommend going for 4K, right? 4K HDR. Then you can go ahead and do your standard editing. So when you go around your editing, you'll see multiple different things. We are in the editing bay, the bottom half, we call that a timeline, right? The top is just like your viewer, right? So we have the timeline, we have a viewer, we have the little button at the top where you can add audio. And whoa, what'd you see? When I hit add audio, all of my saved audios and my For You audios are from where? Instagram. So if you're on Instagram and you're saving audios currently, or consistently just saving and having it go to a folder, or just saving the audios in general, they will be able to be opened here the same way how TikTok had for CapCut, how CapCut had for TikTok. They're both connected, all of the audio. So that is amazing for us, you know, content creators out here who are creating content and want to be able to seamlessly connect the different these different songs and sounds, and the ones that we know that are viral with what we're watching. So literally, as you guys can see right now, you see these little arrows, the little arrow right below the at the bottom of the name of the song. See how that one says original audio right below it where it says Natalia Beauty. That arrow shows that it is trending, it is viral, it is going viral, basically meaning that your video is going to go crazy, right? So right here where it goes to trending, now it has Happy Easter, all these are all trending. All these have the little arrow, they're trending, right? So you're able to use these saved audios, or you can go to your own original audios, you know what I'm saying? Oh, well, these are original audios from other people, but you can go to import your own original audio up top. Right here, allow edits access your photos and videos. Continue, allow full access, boom. And I can import the audio from any of these reels that I have done, right? Go back a little bit. Now we can go ahead and hit and play it kind of through. And as you guys can see, it has that same little split feature. If you click onto it, it has it where you can go and you can split, right? You can go split, boom, I can split. And I can split super close. It used to be like, it was crazy, you can't split that close, right? So it used to be like you could split, and now I can delete the things that I want to delete in between, right? Or I can hit this back arrow, back, just like so, right? So this is really cool. And then crazy part that I'm seeing right now, like kind of just like, this is my first person view of it as well. Okay, I didn't look through it yet. And then didn't try to tell y'all, I'm looking at it with y'all. We're all looking at this together, right? Right here, you see it says captions. It's saying captions is crazy, and this being free is crazy. Meta may have just done something. I think they're going to knock CapCut and TikTok out of the races with this one right here. So if they start to get to a point where these captions are able to, really get, see, look, and these are the same captions that we have on Instagram, the same fonts that we have on Instagram, right? Let me see. I'm trying to see if we're able to. Oh, yeah. Yep. Yep. I've been waiting for this. I have been waiting for this. This is exactly what I needed. I'm going to scroll down. And as we can, bro, we can see it look like. Oh my gosh. Edits just did their thing, all right? Instagram, you know what you're doing, because the fact that captions are in here immediately, and this is a free app that I'm using connected directly to my Instagram, I feel so much better. Like, I feel amazing. I feel great knowing that I don't have to pay a subscription fee, because I was about to renew my thing to CapCut, and then this dropped. I was gonna renew my thing to CapCut, and then this dropped, which is crazy, bro. It's different sound effects. See what kind of sound effects they have in here. Hopefully they have like a really good library. Can you search for sound effects? So isn't it so that you can search for any? I don't think it has it yet to the point where you're able to save them. Yeah, I don't think you're able to save any of them yet. But we'll see. Like these are like small. It still has to get. It just dropped today. But these little icons on here are hard. Like the little picture icons, like that's different. Wow. Yeah, that's different. I like that. I do like that. And you can add it right into there to be able to use. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. Instagram did their thing with this one, bro. You can go to voice. I'm pretty sure that's a voice over. Yep, right for the voice over. You go to overlay. I'm pretty sure, boom, go right into overlaying a video on top. Yep, just like so. Wow, bro. Does it have keyframing? That's one thing I want to know about. Like, can I keyframe this? Let me see, delete. Can I keyframe though is the question. Can I keyframe? They have green screen effects at the bottom. You can extract the audio from this. I don't see keyframing yet. Adjust. Let's go to adjust to see what adjust talking about. Contrast, brightness, saturation. Sharpness, for all you guys who don't know, if you just go sharpness up a little bit on your videos, it's gonna make it look a little bit just that much more high quality. It's gonna make you just look sharper. So to the eye, it's gonna be like, oh my god, this is more quality. Even though it may not be. Speed ramping, you can change the speed. Green screen, the green screen part's hard. So as you guys can see from my video right here, this was insane. Like, whoa, that's crazy. Like, imagine being able to just quickly green screen real quick. Like, hey, you guys. Like, all right. Stop playing. Because all y'all, you know what I'm saying? That's cool, bro. I don't know. Me personally, I see Instagram taking over. I see Instagram with this simple thing right now, effects. I see Instagram taking over. I see Instagram taking over, bro. Let's see what kind of transition they got. I'm gonna try to split this right here. Split. I'm trying to create a transition. Do I hit that? Okay. Dissolve. Zoom. Maybe it's not like loading. Oh, there we go. It kind of has their generic little like ones, but I'm pretty sure as time progresses, it'll get better. I'm pretty sure as time progresses, it'll get better. Let's see. So you just swipe off of it and you just hit that little square right there, and it's gonna take you right into it to be able to create another one. Okay, that's cool. So I want to keep edit full. I wonder if you can edit full videos on here, or if this is just for like short form. That's gonna be a question I'm also gonna want to ask too. So these are really cool. Got their own little, I'm gonna say arrow. Are there any arrows in here? The same arrows that are on Instagram itself. See, this is gonna be cool, bro. This is gonna make creating fun again. Yep, see, and it's still moving. This is gonna make creating fun again. This is gonna make creating fun again, because now you're able to like basically kind of gamify the content creation process. You're able to have a little bit of fun with it, play with it. Like, you're able to gamify the content creation process. I feel like that's so cool. Let's see what else they have. Cutout. Who can I cut out? What can I cut out? Can I cut out this? Let's see, loading the media. But what does cutout mean? Select 30 seconds of your clip. Let me just do this one. Oh, is it gonna cut me out? Oh, am I the? Oh, yo, this is hard. This is hard. There's gonna be so many videos and tutorials dropping from this. Track the object. You can select the object manually, or you can track it. And it's tracking me right now to cut me out from this. It's gonna cut me out from this background. Because now you'll be able to utilize this and maybe put text behind your head easily through just editing it on your phone. Like, just editing on your phone, you're able to do some crazy stuff now. Like, and then it connects. Like, I think the best part about this, let's talk about scalability. I think the best part about this, like being a content creator right now at this time, is it's never been easier to start. Like right now, just starting right now, just doing it right now, it's never been easier for you to blow up. It's never been easier for you as a photographer, videographer, content creator, stay-at-home mom, stay-at-home dad, whatever it is. It's never been easier for you to create content as it is right now today. Like, this is insane. Like, it just cut me out. I'm gonna hit done. And now I can put whatever I want behind me. I could put this probably somewhere else. It's creating its own, basically, essentially rotoscoping on the video. Literally, like, look at this, bro. What? This is crazy. Yo, like, and you can, just like, if you have vision, you can see and think like how amazing this actually can be, because you can do some things with this, like crazy intros of you dropping in, and then I put this on top of the exact same video over and over again. Like, you could really create some crazy ideas with this, man. Instagram edits, bro. I'm gonna hit X and let's see. Okay, boom. So this is where all of your projects are gonna be at, right? You have the play button where you can go and watch. You can go and watch reels on here. It's connected directly, so you can watch reels on here, which is pretty insane. You can save them right here to use that audio right then and there on their app. So they're kind of making it like its own like separate app, but the same app type vibe, which is actually really cool, I think. And you can see all of your stats here as well. How many views you've gotten, how many followers you have, all these different types of things. Being able to look at all of your stats as an overview is actually pretty cool for me, to me at least. You can record right here freshly, start up a recording to be able to use and like do something. You have 3 different zoom modes, and then you can flip your camera, of course, for you guys to be able to see you guys. You can flip your camera. They have the 0.5 mode, have the ×5 mode, and then they have the 2, boom, and then you can flip it again. HD 60, they have 4K, they have some crazy stuff, okay? For you to be able to do just freshen camera, you can create a green screen right here, freshen camera. You can put a filter on your face, like a beauty filter, on and off. You can set a timer. You can set the speed of your video up and down. You can go to your audio library and create based off of an audio right here in this app. And it's free. And it's connected directly, bro. But then again, let's get serious right now. CapCut was free at the beginning. CapCut was amazing at the beginning. Do you guys think that they could be making this a subscription model later on in life? Right now it's not, so take advantage of it, right? But do you guys feel that it would be too far off if they made the subscription later on? It would be cool and amazing if it stays just like this, but CapCut was like this for the first year as well, until they started adding on subscription models and creating, because they had to. The fact that it was free is what made everybody go so crazy, right? So I'm going to keep you guys updated. I'm going to make a lot more videos on this Instagram Edits app to let you guys be able to see how to scale as a content creator, how to use this to grow your business, how to use this to continue to scale overall. But make sure to let me know down below, what do you guys think about this app? What do you guys think the future of this app will be? Will you be using the app? Are you sticking to CapCut? Are you still spending money for a monthly subscription for an app for your phone? Let me know. Until next time. Taxi. Yo, if you're serious about leveling up your photography and content creation, make sure to join PNG Culture, you guys, over on Discord and Patreon. We talk in the Discord community every single day, just helping each other level up our photography and just get better at content creation overall. It's more than just about photography itself. We actually talk about real world problems, real life problems, and just navigating mental health and a whole bunch of different things that come with this entrepreneurship journey, you guys. And then also make sure to check out the Patreon if you guys want a deeper dive on my editing process. Whether you see something really cool on Instagram on my feed and want to know exactly how I did it, I drop the tutorials inside of there. I do different composition editings, like different composites and different things like that. VFX. We also do one-on-one calls in there. Anybody that's in there that's a premium member can can get one-on-one calls and one-on-one access to me. I do business growth tips and different help. I just honestly give out all of my knowledge that I have that I'm not able to give out on YouTube. For those that want to dive a little bit deeper and are more serious, I give all of that out on the Patreon channel. So I hope to see you there. Until next time, taxi.
So long, farewell to you, my friends. Goodbye for now, until we meet again. I say so long, farewell to you, my friends.